We specialize in crafting premium LED products, offering competitive pricing, superior quality control, and customizable solutions to enhance energy efficiency and user experience. Hi, I'm Phyllis, Director of Ecolite Vision Sdn Bhd. We are a manufacturer of CooLED LED lighting. As a manufacturer, allowing us to have direct control over production's process, competitive pricing,
and we have strict quality control, ability to customize lighting needs to meet customer unique requirements. We provide exceptional pre-sales and after-sales services, such as design consultation, reliable products, and local warranty.
We have experienced substantial growth in the Malaysian market. Building strong partnership with reseller and customer has been a key achievement, solidifying our position as a trusted manufacturer of premium LED lighting solutions.
Here we provide design consultation service by 3D simulation report. This allows our customer to visualize and understand exactly what to expect from our lighting solution and ensuring it's perfect fit to their expectation.
Our commitment to sustainability is reflected in our products. We offer higher lumens lights with lower wattage consumption, translating to significant energy savings for our customer. This not only reduces environmental impact but also contribute to long-term cost saving. We would like to establish CooLED as a global brand. We aim to contribute to a brighter, more sustainable future for communities worldwide.
Our goal is to continue improve the efficiency of our LED lights while maintaining quality and to deliver a smarter and more innovative lighting solutions to meet the industrial challenge ahead for our local market and nearby countries.
Our team practice continuous learning and improvement.
Strict quality control.
Innovative, reliable, credible product.